So I'm probably not the only person who has a little side gig reading audiobooks because, hey, I really need the money. And guess what? Does your Blue Yeti mic drive you crazy by adding weird pops and cracks? And I don't mean like pee pops. I mean like electrical sounds, like what the I just finally figured out what it was after I don't know how many hours of troubleshooting and searching the interwebs. And you want to know what it was? You want to know? You want to know? This mother bleeping thing right here. This is responsible. Blue Yeti sent that to me. That's their wire. That's their frickin' wire. And I finally got rid of it, and you know what? All the pops went away. I'm using this little old, maybe not even great one now, but it's working fine. Anyway, if you were going crazy like I was, hopefully this will help out. Peace, love, death to bad wire makers. Ciao.